guys, check it out, check it out. Just wanted to show off that new hoodie. Hopefully we're gonna be dropping some merch soon for you guys to get a hold of, collector's edition, because you know there's only one D's Garage, man, so we're gonna make them a collector's edition. Hoodies, t-shirts, hats. But first of all, I just want to thank everybody who's been supporting the shop for over the years, and for the people who still ride with me since day one. Thank you guys, man, from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you guys, and if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here. So I thank you, and I appreciate it. Just want to make sure that you guys understand that, okay? Well, today, let me show you just the lineup that we got out here. Just gonna give you guys an example of the kind of vehicles that we work on and what kind of jobs we do here. So first of all, you know, I gotta show off the Monte Carlo. So this is the 1987 Chevy Monte Carlo Luxury Sport. This puppy, I built it from the ground up. So everything that I have done to this car, besides paint, I can help you guys out with. Let me show you what's in the hood. This ain't your regular stock V6. This puppy is full-blown LS1 motor in this thing. The 5.7. Look at that. Put together by yours truly, David, me, my boy who's behind the camera, helped me out a little bit on it, but I give him his credit. He helped me out. We got the Phytech set up. Shout out to Phytech Mike for hooking it up, and just a few other things that we have done. I can't mention everybody's name. I don't want to make it a long video, but later on, I'll sure that I'll mention everybody who helped me in this journey. But, you know, just want to share that with you guys right there. This is my personal car, so it took me probably like 3-4 years to build. All right, now here we got the, I believe it's a, let me double check. I believe it's a 77, 70 something. This is an original Cheyenne C10 step side. We haven't got to it, but I want to make a video when I have this lineup out here. We're going to be replacing some speakers. We're going to be wiring up some turn signals on the mirrors, and we're going to install some air shocks and a few other little things for the customer. But check that out. It's a beautiful truck, one owner. Right over here we got the 2018 Z71 Silverado. We just wrapped up the Amber Delete. Nicely done. If you get this angle right here, Junior, so they can see both of the lights. So that's the only thing that we did on this one, but we can do a lot more. Right over here, also 2018 Z71. Now this one we did do a couple of things. We did do the Amber Delete with the clears. This one has the clears here. You can see it's got both clears. And on this one we just removed them. Also on this specific black truck here, we cut the inner bumper here to clear these big old 35s, I believe they are. So we cut and modified it to he can have full control of his steering. We also wired up these LED sequential turn signals for him a while back, and the puddle light. Let me see if I can get it to work here. So we got those puppies wired up. We didn't install them, the customer installed them, but we can install them. We did the hard part, which is the wiring. And yeah, hopefully in the future we have more to come and we can get it done. Okay, now just back it all the way up to where you started. So just a few examples, guys, of the things that we can help you out. We work on anything from classic vehicles to new modern vehicles. I got a few other cars in the back over here. I didn't want to get them in the video, but I'll show you guys anyways. This is a customer's truck. They're going to be picking it up shortly. We rewired the whole sound system, and we installed a brand new Apple CarPlay double-din stereo for him. It needs a little work. This is an older truck, but oh, we also tinted the windshield and did the tint all the way around besides just the stereo work. This is the 98 XJ. We did everything on this one. This is another personal vehicle. Installed the rack, bushwhacker fender flares, replaced the lights, backup camera, lift, rims, tires, rock sliders, wrapped it, tinted the windows, installed some LED lights, wrapped the hood, double din stereo, Boyo mirror, radio, anything to do with off-road, guys, we can help you guys out. And then on that Mercedes, it's still pending. We're doing a stereo and a window radio. All right, guys, come on. I'm gonna show you the shop real quick. Pop the hood and go. Woo! This is the shop right here, D's Garage. We've been here for 7 years, going on 7 years. Just a little tour here for all the new viewers. Window tint, auto glass, car audio, accessories, you name it, just hit me up. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out, and we'll do our best to get you right. This is where the action happens. So it's not a big place, but hey, we'll get it done. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tour of D's Garage 2025. We kicking in the dough, kicking butt, getting things done. Hit us up, D's Garage, baby. Woo!